This is front load washing machine. This washing machine is out of balance and vibrating here. If we are using front load or top load washing machine, some washing machines are out of balance with vibrate in spinning time. If we have faced with this problem, first we have to check at the washing machine 4 legs. Washing machine all legs are comes with the same height. If the floor is not properly, washing machine will vibrate in spinning time. We will check it after stop the washing machine. Move your washing machine like here. If any base is not properly on the ground, it means if any leg has a gap from the floor, washing machine is out of balance and lot of vibrate in washing time. If we want to solve this problem, try to bit change washing machine place. We have to check washing machine after change the place. Otherwise we can also adjust the leg height. If we rotate this bolt, leg height will change here. Okay, this leg is tight with floor now and it has not gap from the floor. Now let's we go for check the washing machine. Everything is okay. It's not moving and it's properly set on the floor now. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel.